Hi, I'm Jeff Babner of MLMlegal.com, and I'd like to talk to you today about MLM Legal. Don't leave home without it. At first blush, one might question the role of the MLM law expert in a marketing-driven business. However, your MLM lawyer may well be the single most valuable resource that you ever utilize. This individual, and there are very few in this gene pool, has intimate practical knowledge as well as legal knowledge of the business, often understanding the business better than most of his or her clients. It is a unique melding of marketing practical knowledge and experience together with practical legal experience that may cause this individual to answer questions off the top of his or her head in 5 minutes that would take typical business lawyers 5 years to research, and in which case they would still probably not understand the issues, let alone the solutions. For better or worse, the practices of the MLM industry have induced scores of pieces of legislation and regulatory control, such as pyramid statutes, MLM statutes, business opportunity, securities, FTC, and postal regulation. Notwithstanding the success of the industry, there is always tension between the regulatory community and the MLM industry. Overzealous regulators and rogue operators guarantee that this state of affairs will always exist. Layer these issues with distributor relations and discipline, FDA, trademark, tax, and international issues, and it is easy to see why this individual is probably the first person with whom you should establish a relationship and with whom you should grow, with that person as a trusted business advisor and a member of your business team. At a minimum, you would be totally premature to jump into the marketplace without a legal review by MLM Legal Counsel of the most basic of sales kit contents, whether they be in hard copy, CD-ROM, or on the internet. Those basics include representative agreement, policies and procedures, product brochures, marketing plan presentation, and various forms ranging from retail receipts to auto ship to multiple owner applications, etc. Responding after the fact to regulatory agencies over deficient materials or answering distributor complaints for slipshod documentation is too little, too late, and too bad for the startup MLM business. Wishing you the best in your direct selling business, I'm Jeff Babner.